Hi students, this is Mahesh Reddy. In this class, I am going to start Unit 2 in Embedded Systems. And coming to Unit 2 syllabus, first we are going to discuss about CISC versus RISC design philosophy. Complex instruction set computer versus reduced instruction set computer design philosophy. Next, about the difference between von Neumann versus Harvard architecture. Next, architecture of ARM Cortex M series microcontrollers. Next, introduction to TM4C family and its applications. Next, TM4C123X block diagram. Next, TM4C129X block diagram. Next, addressing modes. Next, instruction set of TM4C. These are the topics we are going to discuss in Unit 2. The first topic is about the difference between RISC and CISC. RISC versus CISC. See, what we mean by RISC. RISC means reduced instruction set computer. CISC means complex instruction set computer. And coming to the difference between RISC and CISC, see the first point. As the name indicates, RISC, reduced instruction set computer. Your instruction set is reduced. So RISC supports lesser number of instructions, whereas CISC supports greater number of instructions. That is, you will find only few instructions in RISC architecture, whereas many instructions in CISC architecture. And coming to the second point, instructions are fixed in length in RISC. It contains fixed length instructions. But in CISC, instructions are in variable length. The length of the instruction will vary. The length of the instruction will vary means it may be 1 byte or 2 byte or 3 byte. Those are not fixed in terms of CISC. And coming to the RISC, instructions take fixed amount of time for execution because they are in fixed length. As instructions are in fixed length, they take fixed amount of time for execution. But in CISC, as the instructions are not in fixed length, instructions take varying amount of time for execution. Understand? Here instructions are in different sizes, no? So it takes different amount of time for execution. And coming to the RISC, instruction pipelining works effectively and increases the execution speed. Why instruction pipelining works effectively? Because it is having fixed length of instructions and each instruction takes fixed amount of time. These are the benefits of RISC. So instruction pipelining works effectively so that speed of execution is increased in RISC. But in CISC, instruction pipelining concept is not effectively works because of different sizes and different execution times of instructions. Then see. And coming to RISC, it is orthogonal instruction set. Orthogonal instruction set means it allows each instruction to operate on any register and use any addressing mode. If it allows each instruction to operate on any register and use any addressing mode, then it is called as an orthogonal instruction set. Next, CISC is non-orthogonal instruction set. That means all instructions are not allowed to operate on any register. You cannot operate any register in any instruction, and you cannot use any addressing mode. This is called as a non-orthogonal set. CISC is a non-orthogonal instruction set. whereas RISC is a orthogonal instruction set. And coming to the RISC, less silicon usage and decoding logic is simple due to simple instructions. As it is having lesser number of instructions and simple instructions, the decoding logic is simple. That is, your circuit design is simple. As your circuit design is simple, less silicon is used for manufacturing. So he is saying that less silicon usage and decoding logic is simple. Understand? Next, and coming to CISC, as it is complex, decoding logic is also complex, no? Due to complex instructions, so more silicon usage and decoding logic is complex because of complex instructions. Next, in RISC, design of compiler is easy due to lesser number of instructions. As we are having less number of instructions, the compiler design is also easy. Generally, what is compiler? Compiler is one which converts high-level language into your assembly language, assembly code. As assembly instructions are less, the compiler design is also easy, no? The conversion process is easy. So, design of compiler is also easy. But coming to CISC, design of compiler is complex because of larger number of different and complex instructions. And RISC supports few addressing modes for memory access because of lesser instructions, whereas CISC supports many addressing modes for memory access. And coming to RISC, a large number of registers are available. See here. Here coming to RISC, a large number of registers are available. Why? As instructions are less, the code size increases and the operations also increases, so that you need large number of registers for storing temporary variables. Understand? If your instructions are not complex, means you should use simpler instructions to do a complex work, no? So here the code size increases and there is a need to store temporary variables somewhere which is immediately accessible. So you are using large number of registers for storage. But coming to CISC, as here you are having complex instructions, there is no need of large number of registers. So limited number of general purpose registers are used here. And coming to last point, this large code size, as I said, no, because of simple instruction set. So programmer needs to write more code to execute a task since instructions are simpler. Coming to CISC, small code sizes, the programmer can achieve the desired functionality with a single instruction. And this is about the differences between the RISC and CISC instruction set.